Karage onigiri. So, what can $20 get you at Micro Center? $20. That's it. $20. Let's see what we could get for $20. $20 could buy you a pack of batteries. Camera power by next side. Adhesive mount 32 gigabytes of storage. Wow. For $20. That might be a good deal. If you're in need of a stylus, you can get a whole set for $20. Is that a mouse pad?
Yeah.
Guess how much that is? You guessed it. And it's actually a pretty good mouse too. It has 7 programmable buttons. Interesting. I came here for, what did I come here for? I came here for some microprocessors and some single board computers. You know, microprocessor?
I'm okay.
Okay. Portable label maker. Wow. For $20. You put down the measure so you can draw a house, and 1 square could be a foot.
Exactly.
And you would put 1 foot. That's a nice book. How much is it?
Less than 20.
Wow, that's an expensive book. $17 book.
But it's less than 20.
Where is it?
Bright white phone.
Small camera. Anyone? $20. Get you right. Would you look at that? ESP 8266 starter kit. That's crazy.
Oil, grease, mud.
What's going on about this book?
It's all weather tough. You can write on it when it's wet.
Interesting. Loose leaf and bindings. Cover kitchen. This is like a book you take when you're going camping.
Right, honestly.
Camping.
Oh.
So I found the ESP32 for $10. It's crazy. It is, I think that was a micro USB though. It's not USB-C, but $10. We have a LCD display here with a keypad shield for $15. I mean, like, you don't know what's inside of it.
I mean, yeah, I do.
So for $20, you can get a mystery gift pack. Well, it's not really a mystery.
It says LED flame tea light candle set.
It's a bunch of
Card shuffling.
stuff you can make, basically, and those are the components to put it together, right?
I don't know what this means.
$19. You can go wild. So it's not $20, but that's a beautiful case right there. Wow. You're not gonna believe this. I left my only $20 bill at home. So unfortunately, not gonna be able to get any of these products that I sold today. I will be back.
I can't stand either one of y'all. I'm gonna pee on myself.
So, for less than $20,
Did you actually buy something?